equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a pair of scissors for any tangled hair removal. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by removing the dust canister. To do this, press the release button located on the top of the canister. Once removed, empty the contents into your bin. It's crucial to clean the canister regularly to prevent clogs. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe the inside, ensuring no dust or debris remains. Next, let's focus on the filter. The Dyson HD01 has a washable filter that should be cleaned every month. To access it, locate the filter at the top of the machine. Twist it counterclockwise to remove. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents. After rinsing, allow it to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Now, let's move on to the brush bar. Hair and debris can accumulate here, affecting suction power. To clean it, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush bar cover. Once removed, take the soft brush and gently clean the bristles. If you encounter any tangled hair, use scissors to carefully cut it away. Reassemble the cover and screws once you're done. While you're at it, check the hose for any blockages. Detach it from the main body and inspect for any obstructions. If you find any, use a long object like a broom handle to gently push it through. This will ensure optimal airflow. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, let's talk about the exterior. Wipe down the outside of your Dyson with a damp cloth to remove any dust. This not only keeps it looking good, but also prevents dirt from entering the internal components. Before we finish, it's important to note that if you ever need repairs, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your Dyson HD01 and keep it performing at its best. Thank you for following along with this guide, and remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with all your Dyson needs right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.